Yeah, do it round. What are you singing? Sorry. This was food now. You don't like it anymore. Oh, sorry, my sister. Sweet police. Sorry. You're so funny. Stop. This is enough. Put in this. Put in this. Wait, I also. What should we say? No, me, and Nani. No, me. No, you. Oh, well. No, blow the balloons. I will take this. You will take
It's some balloon.
What is it of food?
Watch out!
Our balloons are ready. Now, take your brush and glue and stick the newspapers. Understand?
Yeah.
6 times. Stick the newspaper 6 times.
6.
You're saying correct? Yeah.
Correct? Yeah.
Okay, it's ready. Let us wait till it dries.
Boom!
Hello! Now our pot is ready. This is our next day. So our balloon and pot is ready. So we have to cut the balloon and this edge. Then you correct it. And you can paint as you like. Which color, which design.
Hey, this is Lego.
Yeah, actually.
Mine.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. What is this? Painting black and white.
And I am painting black. And I am going to paint with white. So let's start painting. Looks nice. Yeah. Mine's ready. Now our pot is ready. So this is not easy that you look. This is very hard. We get help from our mothers. Yeah. It is super, no? Yeah.
My pot is
making video. Go to our YouTube channel and watch our video. Yes. Looks beautiful.